Good morning, everyone. I am Professor Saidun Nissa. I'm professor in Department of Management, Jamia Hamdard, and I am presenting today a program on AI tools for social science research. That will be a 2-credit program, which we are planning to launch on new Coursera and portal. So I'll be the course coordinator, and Dr. Faiza Ruhani, who is Assistant Professor, Department of Management, Jamia Hamdard, will be co-coordinator for this program. So traditionally, because social science research relied heavily on manual coding, surveys, and human interpretation. But the sheer volume of data that exists nowadays through social media or like was Facebook or Instagram, this kind of data makes it nearly impossible to analyze it manually. AI, artificial intelligence, allow us to process this data faster and uncover trends that might not be immediately visible. So, keeping this in background, we have designed this program, AI Tools for Social Science Research, uh, you know, for the social scientists. So now, talking about the course objective of this program. So course objective of this 10-week program is first is understand foundational AI concept and their relevance to social research. Second is explore and apply key AI tools for data collection, analysis, and visualization. Third is to evaluate ethical implications and challenges of using AI in social context. And fourth is to develop a capstone project using AI methods for a real-world social science issue. So that is our objective. We want to equip students with all the AI tools which are available and which will help them in social science research. And at the same time, we would like them to know the ethical implications of using AI in social science and also to develop a project using AI methods. So that we'll be doing in this 10-week program. Now, talking about this 10-week program, what we will cover in this. So in first week, we'll be talking about AI tools in social science. Here, we'll give overview of artificial intelligence and its branches, relevance of AI in social science discipline, and case studies of AI applications in political science, economics, psychology, sociology, or we can say that the areas which are basically in social sciences. Then week 2 will be on data in social science and we'll be focusing on cleaning, pre-processing, annotation, and tagging. Here, we will discuss structured versus unstructured data, basics of data cleaning and transformation of that data, and annotation and tagging of qualitative text. So week 3 will be key AI capabilities for social scientists. And here we'll be focusing on natural language processing, machine learning, computer vision, and generative AI. So these 4 capabilities form the backbone of AI application in social science. Natural learning processing allows us to mine text. Machine learning can build predictive models. Computer vision can analyze visual data like protest videos or facial expressions in interviews. And generative AI tools can simulate social scenarios or assist with writing. So we'll be focusing on all these 4 tools in week 3. Now in week 4, we'll be visualizing social science data with AI. So here, the focus will be on principles of data storytelling, visualization technique using AI-assisted tools, and third will be creating dashboards and interactive graphs. Then week 5 will be on AI for survey design and sentiment prediction. Here, we'll discuss various smart survey tools and automated form generation, predictive analytics for survey response patterns, and real-time sentiment analysis of responses. So this is about week 5. Now coming to week 6. Week 6. As we all know that whether it's a social science or other type of researches, we can have either a qualitative or a quantitative research. So we'll be focusing on both. Week 6 will be on qualitative research, and week 7 will be on quantitative research. So week 6 will be and the discussions will be on artificial intelligence and qualitative research. Here we'll focus on coding and analyzing interview data using artificial intelligence, thematic analysis, discourse analysis with natural learning process tools, automated transcription and summarization, and auto-code and theme interviews except using AI support. So AI doesn't just work with numbers. In qualitative research, we have tools like NVivo and Atlas.ai. It now use AI to assist with theme identification, auto-coding of large text files. Voice-to-voice, voice-to-text tools like Otter.ai help convert interviews into written form almost instantly, making analysis quicker and more accessible. Then next will be week 7, which will be on AI in quantitative research. Here we'll focus on predictive modeling in policy and behavioral studies, statistical analysis using machine learning methods, and experimental simulation using AI tools. So AI in quantitative research is basically helpful for social scientists, as by using machine learning, we can test multiple hypotheses at scale or to segment population based on their behavior. For example, clustering techniques. It can uncover hidden subgroups in voter behavior, or these insights go beyond what traditional statistics can often reveal. So this will help us predict go for predictive modeling and to analyze the quantitative data. Then week 8 will be on recommended AI tool list for social sciences, for social science. So here we'll focus on the top AI tools by research function. Like we have given the tools which are available, like your text analysis or Spakey, monkey text analysis can be done by monkey learn or spacer. Then data cleaning, we have tool like OpenRefine. For visualization, we have Tableau or Flourish. For transcription, we have Otter.ai or Whisper. And for mixed method, we have NVivo or Atlas.ti. So these are some of the tools which help us in analyzing the data. So depending on your project or your objective, you can choose the tool. For early state idea generation, we can try Elicit also. For visualization, Flourish is great. And these tools basically help us to access AI by providing point-to-click interfaces. Then week 9 is on ethical issues and responsible AI. Ethical issues are very important. And AI is powerful, but it is not perfect. Social scientists must be cautious about the algorithmic bias. For instance, if a model is trained on data that exclude marginalized community, then its output will be skewed. So we need to see what type of data we are using, because any data we cannot use. It depends on whether it will match our objective or our requirement or not. So algorithmic bias can be there. Fairness and inclusivity is very important. We'll be focusing on AI in marginalized communities, data privacy and informed consent, and principles of responsible AI and explainable AI. And then last is week 10. Here we'll be focusing on future of AI in social science, like what are the emerging trends in AI in social science, like multimodal AI plus GIS, real-time analytics, or AI policy implications in governance, in education, health, and justice, and career and research upon opportunities in AI-enhanced social science. Then learning outcome of this course. Basically, these are the 5 learning outcomes that we believe are the outcome of this course, which is AI tools in social science research. First is to understand and explain the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence and its relevance to social science research, including key techniques such as natural language processing, machine learning, computer vision, and generative AI. Then to demonstrate the ability to collect, clean, pre-process, and annotate social science data, both qualitative and quantitative, in preparation of AI-driven analysis. Third is to apply appropriate AI tools and techniques to analyze, visualize, and interpret social science data using platforms like Tableau, Power BI, NVivo, and Python-based libraries. Fourth is critically evaluate the ethical implications and limitations of using AI in social science research, including concern around bias, privacy, consent, and principles of responsible and explainable AI. And the last is design and present an AI integrated research project or case study that reflects the effective use of AI tools in addressing real world science problems and social science problems, basically. So, what are the prerequisite for this course? So, if you are a postgraduate in social science or humanities or management, not postgraduate, if you're a graduate and you are doing post-graduation in these areas, so you are eligible to join this course. Minimum 50% marks in graduation is required, and basic computer literacy is very important because you'll be doing everything on computer. Duration will be 10 weeks. Grading scheme will be internal assignments, which will be given to you at the end of every week. Will be like cumulative, will be given 30% weightage, and the end term examination, which will be a proctored exam, it will carry 70% of the marks. Number of credits which this course will offer will be 2 credit. And if you talk about the NCRF credit level, then it will be of 7. Then course industry vertical, here the program will help academic research and higher education research. Basically, we can say that it's ed tech or research tech. This field will get a lot of benefit by doing this course. So it is not only for academicians, but also for the people who are working in corporate and they are doing research. So for them also, this course will help. So this is about this course, AI in social science research. Thank you for joining and for listening. Have a nice day.